In front of me is REALME GT 5G, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select additional settings and go to date and time. And as you can see, you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can turn it off, and now you can pick time zone, date, and time manually by yourself. So from now on, as you can see, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. And obviously you can also change the format of your clock, so you can either use 24-hour format clock or just 12-hour format clock. It's up to you. Then whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just unmark this switcher. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.